The double tap to turn on screen feature on the Galaxy S24 allows you to wake or lock the screen with a quick double tap, providing a convenient way to interact with your device without using physical buttons. Here's how you can turn it on or off. First, tap the home button to return to the home screen. From there, swipe down from the top to access the quick settings panel and tap the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down and select advanced features. Next, tap on motions and gestures. Here you'll see the option double tap to turn on screen. Simply tap the toggle to turn this feature on or off. When this feature is enabled, you can double tap the screen to wake it up or put it back to sleep. And that's it. That's how you enable or disable the double tap to turn on screen feature on your Galaxy S24. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.